Want to link your card to the Citi mobile app? Here's how to do it the right way, securely and smoothly. First, you have to download and launch the Citi mobile app. Head to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and download the official Citi mobile app. Once installed, open the app to get started. Step 2. Log in or sign up. Already a user, just enter your Citi online credentials to log in. If you're new, tap register and follow the instructions to set up your account safely. Step 3. Go to card setup. On the main screen, look for options like activate your card or add card under the card section. Tap the relevant button to proceed. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. For extra security, you may be asked to verify your identity, such as entering the last 4 digits of your SSN or another valid ID. Step 5. Finish activation. Follow any remaining instructions to finish the process. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message saying your card has been successfully added and activated. Step 6. Manage your card. With your card now active, you can track spending, make payments, and set up alerts and notifications for better control. Important guidelines: always use your own card and personal information only. Never post or share sensitive card details online or offline. This guide follows Citi security standards and YouTube's terms of service, and is intended strictly for educational and lawful purposes. You're now ready to use the Citi mobile app to manage your card like a pro. Safe, secure, and all under your control. I'll see you on the next guide. Thanks for watching.